everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna take you to a wonderful place in Ubud, Bali. It's a special one because we have found the most enchanting place to stay, a bamboo villa hidden in the heart of nature. In this video, we will give you a full tour of this stunning eco-friendly villa and join us on this journey as we explore one of the most beautiful destinations in Southeast Asia. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more travel stories. Let's get started. I'll tell you why this spot should be on your bucket list if you are planning to go on a trip to Bali. This villa is surrounded by full of nature. It feels like we are in a jungle, and this villa has been made from bamboo. It's called Balinese Jinan style. When you arrive, you can hear water sound as there's a small river nearby. If you have a drone, you can fly and see that scenery. But don't forget to inform to the staff before you fly it. There is no restaurant, but they have few cooperative restaurants, so if you need meals, you can ask them and they will share the menu. Anyway, you can also order grab food from there. If you prefer cooking, there is a small kitchen with necessary equipment. This amazing bamboo villa is located in central Ubud. It's called Mahajiva Villa, and there are few different types of 2-star villas. Imagine waking up to the sound of bird chirping, the gentle rustle of leaves, and the calming flow of a nearby stream. This villa is more than just a stay. It's an experience, a chance to reconnect with nature, unwind and soak in the true essential of beautiful Bali. There is a private pool for each suite, and our pool was cradled by towering banana trees, offering complete privacy and tranquility. This is my favorite part, the outdoor concert bathroom. Even if it's outdoor, the privacy is still a priority, and also it's clean and new. So we have added some more beautiful footage that we have taken, so please enjoy the video till the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Stay connected and happy traveling.